Hello, my friends. I'm so excited to share this month's Fold It Club set with you. Just a heads up though, if you fall madly, deeply in love with it, just like I know you're going to, if you are not in the Fold It Club, you cannot purchase this set. So if you fall in love with it, like I know you're going to, go join our Fold It Club if you're not already a member. Those of you that are already a member, you can sit back, relax, watch the video and enjoy because you know one already has your name on it. Are you ready? Get set, here we go. Mushroom Trio Fold It. Now, what is a Fold It? A Fold It is a shaped card. It is 4 1/4 by 5 1/2, standard card size in the United States. And look at how stinking cute this is. Is this the most adorable card you've ever seen in your life? Now, yes, you get all the dies to make this. You get all those extra pieces. The dots on the top of the mushrooms are optional. So you get to drop those in if you want to, or keep them out if you want a solid piece. Now, yes, you get a handy dandy postcard with a couple ideas, but rest assured, there are so many more ideas on our website. Go check out our online gallery. You're also getting, this is the insane part, you guys. I messed up a little bit, just saying, and it's all good for you. So if you're a Fold It Club member and you're getting this set, you are not getting one free gift. Technically, you're not even getting 2 free gifts. You are getting 3 free gifts in this month's set because whoops, oh well, you know, it's better for you, so who cares, right? That's all that matters. You are getting 2 free stencils, so a total of 4 stencils altogether. What am I talking about? Well, you are getting layering stencils for your fun little mushrooms. They're all etched, so you'll know exactly where to lay them on your dies. Look at how fun that is. You know, it took 3 to get all those pieces on there, which are really fun, right? And you're getting a background stencil. This one is gorgeous. And when you see the samples I have with this one, it is so much fun. And so you are getting 4 stencils. You only are supposed to get 2. I threw in 2 freebies, but wait, there's more because you are also getting another freebie. Brand new freebie, another freebie, has that freebie sticker on it. So I'm not even gonna tell you because I want it to be a surprise. 2 free stencils, another free gift, and the Fold It Club. But wait, there's more because about 85% of you that are in the Fold It Club currently also have the add-on stamp set, which is really fun. It's a 4x4 photopolymer stamp set, and it comes with lots of fun puns. For example, love you so much. You put the fun in fungus. You're a fun guy. Mush, thanks. Shiitake happens, which is funny. Porto, hello. Hope you feel much better, and a cute little mini version of the Fold It. Now, yes, you can add this on. It's only an extra $8 and it comes shipped in your envelope. If you have not already added on the stamp sets, you can go ahead and go to our website, click on my account and log in, and then in the club section, you can add on the club sets for the Fold It Club. You definitely want to. Why did I start coming out with the stamps? Because I was getting my Fold It Club. I was so excited about it. I'm like, yay, mushrooms, so fun. But I didn't have any stamps to add to the inside or to add the outside. And I said to myself, I need stamps that match exactly. So that's how this was born. Now let's jump in and look at our awesome samples because they're so much fun. You can add your cute little gnomes to these. I know a lot of you already have our gnomes. We have a couple different sets. So much fun. Look how cute she is there. Look at this gorgeous little sign. This is perfect for a door hanger. You could put it on somebody's doorknob. Look at how adorable that is with that scalloped circle behind that. So much fun. Ooh, here's that fun. Look at that cute little mushrooms. They are so dang cute. Now, remember I said that the dies for the spots are optional. So here you can do it in a solid or you can do it with the dots. So that's really nice. Oh, look at this. On a rounded gatefold, just half of it. So it does half of the card. So you can do it on a rounded gatefold. You can make it a shaped card. You can make it a door hanger. You can put it on a 5x7 card base. You can put it on an A2 card base. Again, here's another shaped card, but wait, watch this one. It is also, oops, let's get it here. Let's get it where it's going. Hey, oh, maybe it's not working. Oh, hang on. There we go. It can also be a stand-up card if you wanted to, an easel card with a cute little fairy on there. I love it. Here's one. Look at those fun dots, those little extra spots from the stencil. Here is the one I really, really wanted you to see, because see the background on here? That is that fun extra stencil that you're getting in your set. Now, Folded Club members, you can sit back, relax, and know yours is already on its way to you. It already has your name on it. It is safe. We make sure we have enough for everybody. Every month, we always get new signups. And so I order some extras. But sometimes we do sell out. We will not be reordering this because we're not going to put it on our website. It's only available to club members. It's exclusive to the club. If you are interested in this one, join the club now. You can go to our website, stampsoflife.com, click on join the club and watch that video. It explains all the freebies you get, all the discounts, the club points, the anniversary gift certificates, all that awesome stuff. You get 15 to 20% off our entire website every single time you order, every single day, and every single item. So go check out our website, stampsoflife.com. Click on join the club. Again, just watch the video. It'll explain everything in detail. And make sure you get in on this set and add on those stamps if you're interested, because you know what? They are so much fun. I can't believe I just did that. Have a great day. Stay safe, stay happy, stay healthy. I will see you again soon. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you click that like and subscribe buttons, and we've added some featured videos that you might want to check out on the screen. So check out one of those and make sure you're subscribed to our YouTube channel because we always release new videos. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.